Hello everyone, welcome to the portal of EarthaPoint, which is courses.earthapoint.com learn. And here on this portal, beta, you can go ahead and have a look at various categories of courses, which is IIT JAM, CUET, MA Economics, DEPR, DU semester courses and whatnot. If you click on DU semester courses, you will be able to see the various courses on the portal which are available to you. A lot of these courses are an initiative of EarthaPoint, which means that we are not charging any fees, beta. This is only the portal fees, in which you have introductory mathematical methods for economics, introductory microeconomics, introductory statistics for economics. Then you have intermediate microeconomics, semester 3, intermediate microeconomics, macroeconomics. This is a paid course. Only this is for 5,000. So you can clearly see that in the paid course, if you click, you will also go ahead and get access to various assignments and you will get access to various other concepts also. So you see here, you also have additional lecture, you have notes, you have assignments, everything is part of the paid course. For all the subjects, you can see past year papers being solved. You can see past year papers being solved and important numericals being discussed in the paid course. So this is a paid course, which is for macroeconomics. But if you go ahead and if you look into the other courses of the economic semester, they are available for no fees. This is only the portal fees that we are charging. Similarly, if you go ahead and you look into the 5th semester, game theory is a paid course in which we are solving various problem sets also. But other than game theory, other courses like economic growth and business cycle, like introductory development economics, these are all the initiative, only portal fees is being charged. And if you go ahead and you look into this introductory development economics, you can see that I have gone ahead and I have covered a lot of the course, even though it is an initiative. You can see that unit 1 is completely covered. You can see that unit 2 is covered, and you can see that unit 4 is also completely covered. In unit 3 also, we have covered one chapter. So this is the link to our portal. You can go ahead, you can have a look at the various courses. Similarly, if you go ahead and you have a look at the IIT JAM courses, here you will be able to see the different mock test series for IIT JAM that have been launched. At the same time, you will be able to also see the question bank for CUET, which has been now launched, and you will be able to see the different other courses also, right? These are only few of the courses, beta. We do provide more courses also. These are the courses which you can directly access. But if you want a full-fledged course on IIT JAM or a full-fledged course on MA Economics entrance or a full-fledged course on Indian Economic Service, you can always contact Rohit sir and he will go ahead and he will talk about the different courses that we have. So I just wanted to quickly show you the portal of EarthaPoint, and all of you can go to this portal and you can have a look at different courses. Okay, beta, thank you. Check the convergence of the following. So beta, you're given this sequence and you need to check whether this sequence is it converging or not. It's very easy. बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है क्वेश्चन करना. तो देखो क्या कर सकते हैं हम. जब भी whenever you're given this -1 to the power n minus 1 ना, it means that there will always be cases. दो तरीके का केस बनेगा. So the case 1 is beta when n is odd. ठीक है. Just focus on this part for now. When n is odd, take n to be any number. Suppose I take n to be 5. So -1 to the power 5 minus 1, which means -1 to the power 4, which means 1. Okay. So whenever n is odd, then n minus 1. देखो, अगर 5 odd है, तो 5 minus 1, 4 even हो रहा है. N minus 1 is becoming even. So whenever n is odd, n minus 1 will become even. And if n minus 1 will become even, then -1 to the power anything that is even will give you 1. So this sequence, it will become 1 into 1 by n, which means 1 by n. This will be your sequence. ठीक है. Second beta, whenever n is even, if n is even, suppose हमने n को ले लिया 6, right? तो -1 to the power 6 minus 1 minus 1 to the power 5, which means -1. So whenever n is even, n minus 1 will be odd. So -1 to the power anything that is odd will give you -1, right? So you will get the final sequence as -1 into 1 by n, which means -1 by n. So your sequence an, it is going to take two parts, beta. An will become 1 by n whenever n is odd, and an will become -1 by n whenever n is even. Okay. How do we find convergence or divergence? We take limit n tends to infinity an. So it will be limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, limit n tends to infinity -1 by n. ये हो जाएगा when n is odd, when n is even. बेटा 1 by infinity तो 0 होता है, और -1 by infinity भी 0 होता है. Anything by infinity is 0. माने this is always converging to 0. So it is going to be a convergent sequence. क्या हो जाएगा ये? It is going to be a convergent sequence. Is this clear, beta? Okay, thank you, beta.